guys, welcome back to the review list. And if you haven't already, if you're already a listie, thank you guys so much for your support. And if you're not a listie yet, please get a part of our listie club. Listie is list with family becomes listie. So I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. And this video is being brought to you by me. And every product that you see me publish, I will let you guys know if it's mainly testimonial or product review. So today it's actually going to be a testimonial. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product that I personally use, that I love, that I wasn't sent to me. Okay, it's not via product review. It's more so a testimonial, so that you can most likely get the same product and see if you guys like it too. So let's get on to today's video. Okay, so today's video, it's about Nivea versus coconut oil. Yes, so Nivea versus coconut oil. This is a battle that clearly has not been televised. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is because I really want to let you guys know the difference between the two, and most importantly, are they moisturizing for the winter? Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start with Nivea, and Nivea, it's a product that I've been using for years now. And Nivea, it says too that it protects you for 48 hours of nourishing moisture. And I know that Nivea, it's a great product because I've used it in the coldest of coldest places. I remember I used to live in Virginia. Virginia in the house. I used to live in Virginia. It was cold most of the time, very moist, very congesting. Don't get me wrong, I love the place, but you know, sometimes when the winter strikes, it's on and popping. So Virginia was definitely a place where Nivea was used a lot. And even if you look at it now, let me get it. The Nivea, it's very moisturizing, very thick. Good Lord. You see, I'm telling y'all, when the winter comes, you know, this air gets drier and drier. So as you can see, my hand is moisturized, it's glowy. You can literally see the reflection of the light on my hands. That's how you know when your hands are moisturized. And what I love, that it's thick and it's rich. And that's what you want for a weather like this. And it's not something that you can be without, honestly. And this is great for when you're going out of your house, or even when you're in your own home, and if the weather is very dry and cracky, you could use light, a little bit of this Nivea, but not too much, because you don't want your skin to be weighed down. So that's why I would recommend, for everyday use around your house, coconut oil from Jason's coconut oil. And I've definitely talked about this product in my last video about Jason's products, where I talked about the coconut oil as well as the rose water body wash, and I'll be placing that video within these cues. And the reason why I really wanted to talk about the Jason's coconut oil is because there are those moments where you may not want a heavy lotion. So you can use coconut oil, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how, when you can combine the coconut oil and the Nivea, how your hand will feel. So if you look at it this way, my hand now, you can clearly see that it's extra moisturized. It's glowing. And what I love with this Jason's coconut oil is that you can use this everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere, okay? In every area code, every limb, behind your ears, you can use this, on your eyebrows, everywhere. I don't recommend using this on your face though. Depending on your skin type and if you have oily skin or sensitive skin, you don't want to clog your pores. So just use a light cleanser, not coconut oil. Coconut oil can mainly be used on your external body parts. I would recommend your face. However, if coconut oil helps your face, and if you are already using it and you're not breaking out just by using coconut oil on your face, then have at it, go for it. but I would definitely recommend you using this for as an everyday use, as coconut oil already has natural nourishments that's ready within this, and I believe it has them right here. Yes, and yes, it helps hair breakage and split ends. And as I demonstrated in my last video that I have locks, I started locking my hair the day after, no wait, the day before Easter. I started the twisting of my hair. My mother twisted my hair, and so far I've been maintaining it. My mother has locks too, and I've been maintaining my, you see, if you look at it, my hair is jet black. I've been moisturizing my hair, you see, oh, it's glowing, yes. But I've been moisturizing my hair with the coconut oil because I really want my hair to get its nourishments. And normally when you had locks, you know, in the islands where I'm from, all they use is coconut oil. And coconut oil, it's natural, it's light, meaning that your hair is not gonna be weighed down and it feels, you know, clogged. Because when you wash locks and when you have heavy products on your hair, most likely the washing is gonna give you the hardest job ever. It's gonna be tough. So definitely using light hair moisturizer solutions is your best bet. So that's my comparison between using coconut oil and Nivea. So you can use them both, but Nivea, it's great for the heaviest conditions, and coconut oil is great for the lightest conditions. But Nivea can be used in the lightest conditions too. However, you have more results, if that makes sense. You have more results when you're using it in the hardest and the heaviest weather conditions, and you actually allow it to do its thing, to do its work when it's, you know, stricken by cold winds. And where I live right now, listen, I live in Georgia, and right now it's said that we're supposed to be in fall, but it feels like winter outside right now. I believe it's in the 40s, you know, it's cold, and some days it's in the 60s, some days it's in the 40s, and the low is 30s. It's terrible. And then one minute it's windy, the next minute the air is still and dry. It's terrible. But I did say that winter is my favorite time of the year, but I feel like I'm about to change my mind right now. You know, I feel like I'm about to change my mind right now. So definitely please let me know what this video has brought to you, if this video has been beneficial for you when it came to you really getting all of the nutritional benefits out of either products, as well as giving you some ideas as to how you would like to include coconut oil and Nivea within your life. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and subscribing to this channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. And because I really want you guys to find value in every video that I do and really get a story as to how these products have helped me, and not just a little spiel about, oh, you should get these products. No, I want you guys to know why I got them, why you should get them too, and why they can be beneficial to you. And that's what the review list is all about. You know, helping consumers gain insight on products and places. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram, The Review List, as well as please follow my blog, thereviewlist.wordpress.com, and I'll be placing that link down below, because thereviewlist.wordpress.com is where you can get my reviews, sometimes my video reviews, and more articles in between. And on my blog, I talk about decor, I talk about places where you can travel, I talk about, different health tips, you know, cooking, cookbooks, different things that you may find interest in, and where you can have your own platform with me, where you don't have to keep on watching for my videos to pop up. You can get more of me on my blog, and you can even follow my blog, and my blog now has 314 people following it, and I hope that you can be a part of my 314. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and get some Nivea and get some coconut oil in your life, okay? Get some love in your life and bring Christmas home today. Don't wait till December 25th, even though December is my birth year. Ooh, ooh. Yes, Sagittarius season has arrived. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys later. So, I guess that's it for today, guys. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys later. You better catch it. No, you better catch it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.